Yes, Mr. Henry.
Open the door, young man!
Oh yeah, about make me fat ass ha 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 ha.
What's your problem, Mr. Trump?
Ha 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 ha, Mr. Henry, can you please?
Thank you.
What, Mr.?
Yes,